Hi, I'm Rick Willis with Gard. Today we're going to be doing the assembly of the Gard Pro unit. The Gard Pro unit is very simple to operate. It's got a volume knob. These 8 switches represent the bird sounds which are contained on the silver sticker here. The bottom 5 switches represent the time off interval, day-night operation, and the random feature. When you receive this, the settings are set exactly as you will need them for most applications. If you have any questions, just give us a call. The assembly of this is very simple. Turn it over face down. Take the bracket, goes on the back, line up the holes. Put the mounting bracket on the back, lining up the holes. And simply insert the screws. Now we'll address the dip switches. These first 8 switches represent the 8 bird sounds which are contained on the label right below. The next switches control the time off interval. This unit, when you receive it, is set for the shortest time off interval. To change it, simply use the schematic to the left. It is set for short time off. For medium, it's switch it 1 off, 2 on. For extra long, it would be 1 off and 2 off. To change it from daytime to nighttime, you simply turn switch number 4 on. For 24-hour operation, it's 3 off, 4 on. For nighttime only, it's 3 on, 4 on. The random switch, number 5, should always be in the on position. That ensures that the birds do not habituate to the Gard unit. The default setting for all operations is 1 on, 2 off, 3 on, 4 off, and number 5 is on. The Gard Pro unit can either be operated off 12-volt battery or off of AC power. Both power cords attached the same way. Simply plug in the cord into the jack in the back. The Gard Pro unit is designed to operate maximum of 2 speakers, the internal speaker and an optional auxiliary external speaker. If you're using the optional external speaker, plug the wire into the small jack on the back and select internal and external. If you want, you can select only the external speaker by sliding the switch all the way over. The optional external speaker allows you to project the sound in 2 different directions at the same time. This gives you more freedom and allows you to be very strategic in the way you use the unit, such as 2 sides of a building if you're repelling woodpeckers, or a crop where you've got an arm here and an L shape over here. The Gard Pro unit can be easily mounted to a post or a pole using the bracket. To mount onto a pole, simply insert the U-bolt through the bracket. Install the nuts. And tighten. The optional solar panel allows you to run your Gard unit away from AC power and without the need to continually recharge the battery. To mount the solar panel, start by loosening the carriage nuts on the bracket. The bracket has a movable plate that will slip underneath the lip of the solar panel. Simply lay it on the solar panel and rotate so that the plate slips underneath the lip and tighten. The solar panel easily mounts to the pole using a U-bolt. Once the U-bolts are installed, the solar panel can be positioned. Position it at about a 45-degree angle, and again, facing south. Tighten the hinge bolts to secure. The battery clips attach to a standard deep cycle 12-volt battery, available at any car parts store or most hardware stores. Be sure to attach it correctly. The black to the negative, and the red to the positive. Once your Gard Pro unit is attached to the battery, your last step is to turn it on. Start with the volume in the lowest position, turn it on, and turn it up to the maximum volume for maximum protection. Thank you for joining us for the Gard Pro tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.